Nandito kami ngayon sa High Park. Grabe, maulan ang pasyal. Ayan baga yung ano, ino-orderan mo noon. Mas malapit. Oo, mas malapit nga dito. Kasi shortcut. Ayan baga ang ino-orderan sa park. Oh, nung, ayan pinaglalaro ni Bibi. Oh. Doon tayo umikot sa may ano, oh, sa may stoplight. Diyan baga si Bibi naglaro ng ano, oh. Dami pa rin tao, no? Ano, ilalayo mo yun sa ano? Ay, papunta doon. Baliktad ka, papunta tayo doon. Ha? Bakit mababasa? Dapat pala nakabuta ito, no? Namali ako ng ano. Nakalingawan ko, may buta pala to. Ay. Oo. May party. Oh, walang bayad dyan. Public yan eh. Paunahan lang. Namasyal ng maulan. Ayan ang nakuha. Pero taka kami, dami pa rin tao. Hindi pa kasi ano siya, lumalaglag. Ganda nila, oh, ayan, oh. Yeah, don't worry, I'll take you a picture. Yeah. Si Mami nagkamali, dapat nakabuta ka. Tapos dinarak sana yung payong niya. Pares lang kayo sa mong bibintang lobo. Maganda nga mag-video na nag-uran. Oh. Very down. Yeah? Okay, go na. Gusto daw niya duck. Okay. You want a duck? Yeah, just wait.
You're right here. Oh, it's raining. Sit down there.
Ayaw haboyan, ayaw lang. Mali ka na. Because you don't know. You don't know them. Okay?
Mama, one horse. One horse.
Baby, look at that oh.
Mama, mommy.
You can see the duck there. Hold mommy. The other way. Not this way. The duck, yeah. I'll let you go to the duck, not there. The other one.
दक्षिण पूर्व
ngayon ang perfect day ng ano nito no kasi nung pumunta tayo dito hindi man ganyang karami no medyo ano na siya bagong tanim lang yan. Naku, ayun na yun Mama Jo. Naghanap na yun ng duck. Mahilig talaga yan sa animals. Ayun ang duck. Last one, no? Puntahan ta. Gusto kasi ng anak kong duck. This is a big one. The white one. Okay, wait Mommy. And then we can go there. Yeah, this way, oh. Welcome to Hyde Park. The big duck is right there, coming. there if you want. Okay, look at me. Animal lover kasi ito eh. Okay. Okay, say hi. Yeah. You like it? They're going to the water. Oh, maybe they're going to find food. Yeah. Okay. The other one is, what is a ghost. The one is a duck. Yeah, hi duck. That one is a ghost. Oh, don't go there. Don't closer. Yeah, kiss. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, sleeping. Ito yung sakura flowers.